the safari.
Yay!
Yeah, you see the jungle monster. Hi guys, good morning. It's Sunday. Yeah, it's Sunday, and we're off to the safari.
Yay!
We're in the car and we will be there in 26 minutes. As we're... Oh no! Theodore destroyed my hat. No, Theodore, because it will be sunny in there. Say hi.
Say hi, Theodore. Say hi.
Hi. Okay, see you when we get to the safari.
Why?
So we're going to the kids' farm first.
Say hi.
It's a petting goat, so you can touch the goats here. Nice, nice, Theo. Come on, it's okay. How about the black one? You want the black one? You wanna touch the black one? Yeah, good job, Theo. Nice. You're good.
How many goats?
Hi, good morning. Gonna see the birds. Looking for the birds, Theodore? I know, there's another bird here. It's not feeding time yet, so they're not interested to go to the people. So Mama's crying.
Theo?
No?
Hi.
He's only looking at you, baby. Look.
Oh, no. Nice.
There's also bird on the ground,
Theo,
Theodore.
look.
Look.
Hi.
He's crying. He's crying. Yes.
Oh.
Oh, it only passed Mama.
They fly. Bob.
He's grumpy because it's not coming to him.
Slow down, Theo. Slow down. Careful. Yeah, where's the bird?
Theodore, raise your hand. Look, the bird. Come on. Uh-oh. Do not go near. Do not go near. It bit me. It bit me, baby. It bit me.
Oh no!
Theodore, the bird bit me. We're off to somewhere and the bite marks of the bird. I don't know if you can see it. There's like 2 red marks. As paranoid as I am, I'm sure it's okay. But I'm pregnant, so I asked like the caretaker if it's okay. And he was like, no, it's okay. That's nothing. Ah, okay.
Nice.
There's a lot. There's also on that side and over there on that shed. Hot? Swimming? One is swimming over there. Swimming. Oh. So this is the whole map of the safari, and we're in the... We're here. Kids Farm. We're inside a restaurant in the safari, and look how nice the decors are. You can see the outside. There, over the tree! Yeah, you see the tree? There's a bird jumping.
How many birds are there, Theodore? You saw 4?
Yay! You were supposed to take the bus to go to the different parts of the safari. But the queue was so long, so we opted to just
Theo, you want
walk
to see the monkeys?
and keep moving because of this little man.
What does the monkey do?
And I'm happy that he's wearing a hat because it's so hot. He doesn't usually likes to wear hats.
Go in the shade.
Yeah. What's that, Theo? What is that? Flamingo! Yes! A lot! Monster. Here, look!
ايوه الفلاش
Say hi! You're scared? You're scared? Monster? Calm down. It's like an iguana. A dragon. Komodo dragon. It's so big.
Yeah. Don't want to mess with him.
Yeah.
Theo, come to Daddy.
So we're in the reptile house.
Daddy, pick you up. Mommy?
What's that? Sleeping? They're sleeping?
Baby crocodile. Bye, snakes.
He's up. Oh, he's coming. He's showing up. Two elephants. Good job, Theo. So we have an ice cream break. Oh no, there's an ice cream in his clothes. And then it's a small cone, so we gave it to Theodore. My husband has mango.
Mama!
While I'm having a chocolate underneath and a kinder.
Fashion dealer, I'm your biggest bidder. Meet me in the middle. I just don't wanna settle under these lucid dreams.
We're inside a bus. So we are in Explorer Village now to see the giraffe. Tree, a plane.
Come here. Come to daddy. Tell daddy. There.
Why? We cannot go. Where we'll go to safari journey.
There's mama.
We're in the bus. We will be on tour.
See daddy.
Look at this reaction.
Giraffe is the tallest land mammal and the national animal of Tanzania. As you can see, the male giraffe here, like this one on our right side, they can grow up to 6 meters tall. They have a huge heart. Their heart is big, it can weigh almost 20 kg. And they have this big heart, so it can pump the blood up to their heads. Lots of people think that giraffes are weak. Do you think the same?
Weak.
Weak. Actually, they are very strong. Look at their legs.
They have
One
loads
kick
of
of a
giraffe
giraffe
here.
in the right place can kill a male adult lion. Or at least they will break a lion jaw. All the wild animals are very strong and they can defend themselves very clearly. On the right side, kilometers per hour.
Is this the biggest one or like
No.
they still grow?
No, these ones are still small.
Our safari journey has ended. One little boy is sleeping, knocked out. I don't know if you can see because it's too bright. There's a bus on the way to the entrance. And we're very far from the entrance. But he's sleeping.
Can you hear the show?
Yeah.
The bird show. I
Yeah,
think
bird-
we still have a lot to see.
Bird of Prey Square.
The desert safari.
Hi guys! Welcome back. I wasn't able to close the vlog properly yesterday because I was so tired. Pregnant mama here is so tired. Di ka po yung buntis lakaw-lakaw sa init. We were there from 10:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And yeah, so when we got home, we just rested. I just rested and didn't take out the camera. So here I am now, trying to close the vlog properly. So thank you for hanging out with us. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye!